of amazing recipe. If I told you are new in this channel, please feel welcome. Thank you for your support. Thank you for coming in. View my videos. If you like them, give them a like, share, and subscribe. Returning subscribers, thank you so much for returning back. Thank you, and thank you for your support. So guys, still on mango recipes. Thank you so much for watching those mango recipe videos, and I hope you're also making good use of them. We are still in the season. So as I told you, Baby Kid Food is going to share with you lots of recipes with mangoes. For those who have not watched them, this is mango season. Apart from using mangoes just for fruits, you can also use them for other recipes. I've done quite a number of recipes. In fact, the last video was on mangoes, on chicken masala. So guys, today I'm back with another chicken recipe, mango recipe. And now this time we are going to do mango chicken drumstick. And guys, this time we are going to do it in a different way. We have alternative ways of making chicken for chicken lovers, and this time around we are going to do it on air fryer. So we have air fryer chicken mango recipe. So kindly watch this video until the end. The ingredients I have my one mango here, and 2 medium-sized tomatoes. I'm not going to use so many spices. Cumin powder, I have turmeric powder, and I have paprika. Then I have some oil, cooking oil I'm going to use in marinating. Then I have 2 red onions. I have lime, coriander, ginger, and garlic. And these are my chicken drumsticks. So just wash them and ready for I'm going to start first by cutting my one mango, and the reason why we are cutting it first before anything else is because we want to get a paste from here, and the paste that we are going to have from here, part of it is we are going to use it for marinating our drumstick, chicken drumstick, and part of it we'll use it later, so just stay tuned. Start by marinating my chicken. We start with salt, then I will start with some paste, mango paste, just a bit of it, paprika, cumin, turmeric, garlic, ginger, and then I'll squeeze in my lemon here. Some cooking oil. Mango is going also to make it juicy and so make sure your drumsticks are well marinated. So at this point, I'm going to cover it and keep it for another 30 minutes. So chicken. I'm going to have the marinade well in here. Chicken is already, my drumstick are already in here. What I'll do, I'm going just to sprinkle some coriander on top of them so that they can cook. I'm going to set it at 200. In fact, the 180 is okay, and for 35 minutes. That's how I've set my whatever. I'm supposed to put it at 180 C, but because they have overlapped some drumstick, that's why I've done it at 180. Stay tuned, let's wait for these 35 minutes. When you're using air fryer, there are some options here. You would only see them once you switch on your air fryer. So there are options if you want to air fry chips, there for beef, for meat. It can either be chicken, meat, any kind of meat, and also for pizza. So once you choose whatever you want to air fry, then you come here on top here. So they have given us the options for each and every thing that you are frying. Like for example, for meat, I need 180 degrees, depending on whether it's a beef or meat or whatever. So that's when you do your own timing. So guys, otherwise this air fryer is the best for chicken. Air fried chicken, especially with flavored mango. Ooh. As my chicken is still cooking in the air fryer, I'll go ahead and prepare my tomatoes. So guys, I just boil the tomatoes so that I can take away. Chicken, look at this. So what I'm going to do, you can see the other side of part, it's not yet dry. So this is just a first step. We are not going to serve it like this. So guys, this is my fried chicken, and this is just the first step. I have here another step. Stay tuned. Some cooking oil, not so much. Make sure it's well. Fry my onions, my red onions. I'm adding some ginger and garlic. Let your onions brown. Once they are translucent, that is the best. Then I have here onion and tomato and tomato paste. Your onions and everything cooks well. This is the time now. Doesn't need a lot of time, that is. So guys, at this time we are going to add our salt to the paste. Remember, our chicken had salt, so we don't just put a little bit of it. is the time with my air fried chicken. Place them in there. This little brown. So guys, we're going to cover it about our drumstick for about 10 minutes and it will be done. Guys, back to my chicken. My mango drumsticks, rare chicken. So guys, you see the taste of mango and the mix. Mango has made it so juicy, 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 guys. I love it. Just sprinkle some organic with some. So nice, so nice. So guys, if I told you watch that video, the other video on mango recipe, compare it with this and tell me which one. So stay tuned every Sunday. Look at my drumstick chicken. So guys, look at my chicken mango air fried chicken or drumstick. Yes, this is just too sweet. So if I told you watch the other mango chicken mango receipt, the masala, and you have watched this, every comment and tell me which one you prefer. So this one you can serve with rice or any other recipe of your choice. So guys, just look at this mango chicken air fried or mango air fried chicken drumstick. So thank you so much. Let's meet in another video. Bye bye. Welcome.